Behold the Empress.
Let's talk about the name Empress and how she fits into the royal court. Well, we've got a monarch, we've got a duchess, we've got a duke, we got a jester, and I just thought, what else could be a part of royalty? And Empress was something that just came out. Then I started researching empresses, and lo and behold, there was an empress of Ethiopia, and her name was Empress Zuditu. She based her monarchy off of Queen Victoria. She was the first female black head of state in Africa, and she reigned from 1916 to 1930. She reigned with poise, and she did a lot of great things for her community. We thought that she would be a good person that we can kind of pay tribute to and tie back into the history of this coffee and where it comes from. The story was already written for me. I just had to go and find it and put it together and tell you guys about it. As far as her role in our royal court, we dubbed her our town historian. I'm a bit of a history nerd. I know that's not a surprise to people that know me. Our original building in Kenya was built in 1906, and I know the history of that building inside and out. So I think that we can learn a lot about who we were as a people through history. And so I thought it was important to bring a historian into our royal court. Being a monarch, being an empress, it's a ruling place. We're in the panhandle of Texas, y'all. We don't like people ruling over us. We like to have our own way of doing things. And so in my mind, when we kind of started creating these characters, I wanted to take these people that got sick of their esteem and the lives that they had there, and they wanted to come and be a part of what we do here in the panhandle. The Empress, she's our lore keeper. She's our historian. She's the one that keeps up with who we are at Palace, but also who we are here as a community here in the panhandle. She's the storyteller. She's the one that keeps the community together in a way that is truthful, but also attainable. I think she rounds out our ragtag group very well. Before you jump straight into Empress, we definitely want you to come and try it in the store. You know, if you don't love it, we'll make you something else, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. If you haven't tried a coffee that we call a fruit bomb, why not? It's fun. But if you want to tiptoe into it, which is fair, it's a part of Monarch. And so we always would suggest trying the Monarch first and describing what you like about it. If it is that little bit of berry sweetness that's kind of coming through that's your favorite thing about it, then this coffee is definitely for you. If you really like more of the chocolatey and nuttiness of the Monarch, then go into the Duchess. And the fun thing about coffee is that you get to try. Once this coffee leaves our roastery, once it hits our shelves and then goes to your home, you get to figure out what makes this coffee special to you and find out different ways to brew it. So, have fun. Coffee's fun, right? Right? It's supposed to be. So, I hope you learned a little bit about Ethiopia, about Empress Zuditu, about Palace, and about this coffee, and how you should enjoy it, which is whichever way you want to, but thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna go back to reading now.